Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. Go to f2bbs.com. www.f2bbs.com. The last bastion of free speech on the interweb. Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury. ArchieLuxury. Today guys, I am doing an unboxing. So guys, let's get this baby on the way. Let's get this baby on the way. Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing. Da-da-da-da. Okay, here we go. Unboxing. Here we go. Da-da-da-da. What do we have here? We have a Tudor 01 SAP. That's the stock system, the stock code. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Rolex. No, it's tuna. Tuna. Here we go. We got a tuna. This is the new Tudor boxes. Let's have a look. Da-da-da-da. Inside. What's underneath? Nothing underneath. Da-da-da-da. Flap folds down. And we can take the box out. It's got the phone. Put the phone. Put that down. And then we've got... Oh, it smells like money and wasabi. Moneyed wasabi. Wasabi. You know that Japanese green stuff. Okay, let's go. Wowzers! It's a Tudor Black Bay. Tudor Black Bay Burgundy. Why has your pontiff bought this watch? I can tell you why. I got inside information. This has been discontinued. That's right. Now that I've got one, they're being discontinued. Guess what? They're going to explode in price. Now this is the new box. I'm going to take this Tudor tuna off. We'll take that off. I'll just put that down here. So we're going to have a look at how the packaging is here. So with Rolex, you've got the pull down flap. Tuna's gone a different way. They've got this compartment system. That's the lid. What's that? Bit of fluff. Gosh, a bit of fluff. And in here, this is where I've got the spare link. Spare links. These are faux rivet links. There we go. It's a spare link there. Put that back in there. So that's the compartment for that. And then what do we got here? We've got the ribbon. Pull the ribbon. And that gives us our papers. Now, I got to tell you what they have done is, this is in micro print, okay? What the hell are those guys thinking? What are they thinking? Micro print, what? This is a guarantee booklet, a user manual. Now, you can see this is for a younger market because I can't read that without magnifiers on. See, I honestly, as we get into our 50s, guess what? I can't read it. So I got 10 by magnifiers here. So what do we got? We've got this is the card, and I'll just cover the serial number because a guy sold me this who's trying to kiss the AD games. He's trying to suck on... who cares? There we go. That's the card. Okay. That's the card for the tunas. that's just an Australian. This is Australian market to say you don't lose your consumer rights. This is the user manual. The user manual itself tells you how to set the watch, specific functions, the bezel, how the bezel works. Yeah. Interestingly enough, this book here, the Tudor book, also, so it's got diving models, and it's also got the GMT, the Pepsi. The Pepsi Light is covered in this book, and it's kind of sewed together. It's actually, it feels a little bit tacky. It feels a bit cheap. So this is 4th 2022, 2020, 4th 2020. That's when that was printed. That's the copyright date on this, the date stamp on that. And then you've got the guarantee booklet. What does it say in here? What does it say? It says here, come on, there's Deutsch. Where's that? Where's English? English. Tudor guarantees a function for a period of 2 years from purchase. Okie dokie. So that's tudor.com. Okay, so that is the documentation out. So that's really, you can see that is actually, these are for young people, because by the time you're 50, you ain't going to be able to read that. You ain't going to be able to read that. So I got to be totally honest with you. I think it's how does it compare to the previous? I had the previous one. I'm not sure whether it's cool. It's cool. Yeah, I like the compartment section there. It is cool. It is cool. The ribbon feels a bit tacky. Wasabi Novo. These are for cool people. Cool people. Rolex is for, fuddy-duddy. Tuna is for cool hipsters. Hipsters driving motorbikes. That's the sort of person tuna would be. So I'm just going to put this back together. What did I think of it? It's okay. It's okay. I think it's okay. Is it amazing? I don't know if I'd use the word amazing. That could be. Oops, I forgot to put the cushion back. Oh my God. I was trying to put this back together. And I've got the tuners. This is the tuner. There we go. That's the Tudor itself. So it's on a cushion. Now, I've actually got this one here. Very fortunate to have it on stickers. Stickers Tudor. So I got to be honest with you. I'm not actually going to start wearing it until I've decided whether I'm keeping it or flipping it. Because Marco's changed his mind. Marco told me, get a tuner. And now I've kind of, I like the noise there. Ooh, what a noise. Beautiful, absolutely. That is actually a beautiful watch. The Tudor Black Bay. I gotta tell you, I've had them twice before. I love my tuners. I do love my tuners. Would I keep it, or is it a flip? I'm not sure. I might be needing some money. I don't know. So it's a hassle. It is a hassle. It's very much a hassle. So I got to be honest with you. The Tudors itself there, what do I think of them? What do I like it. I like the Tudor. I like it. The new box, I don't know. I don't know if I'm so keen on the new box. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know. I wouldn't say it's gimmicky. It's not gimmicky, but it's kind of, it is cool. It is, I gotta say, it is very, very cool. I like the cushion. That's very similar to the Rolex cushion, the underneath there, the Rolex cushions. It's in black, so at least if it's in black, it's like it's going to hide the marks, you know. Well, I suppose Rolex is kind of the green, you know. They have the light green interior. So I got to be totally honest with you. Yeah, look, I think it's classy. I think for Tudor, I got to be honest, the box, it's actually pretty classy. Considering the price point of the brand, I think it's actually pretty well done. See, in Australia, retail price is $5,150. $5,150 Aussie dollars. I got it a bit cheaper because I got it from a VVVVIP. He's basically, he needs to buy stuff to keep the AD happy. ADs. But he did me a favor. You normally don't get a Tudor at a discount. He gets a discount. What do I think of it? What do I think? Look, I've owned the Tudor a couple of times. I have. I've had these Tudors a couple times. It's a beautiful watch. I gotta tell you, if you want an entry-level watch, the Speedmaster is no longer in that price genre. If you were to buy a new one because you're a newbie, you don't understand the buy and sell, I think you could do a lot worse than a Tudor Black Bay Burgundy, couldn't you? You could do a hell of a lot worse. I think it's a fabulous watch. Absolutely fabulous. I think it's a fabulous watch. The Tudor, it is amazing. Tudors are, they are cool watches. They're very cool. They're cool. There's no question of that. A Tudor, you buy a Tudor, it's for a hipster. It's a hipster's sort of watch, isn't it? You know, I think it's very cool. You know, like it's not fuddy-duddy Patek Philippe, Grand Classique from Patek. That's kind of, you know, but, you know, I got to be honest with you. If you're an Explorer 2, if you've got dreams of an Explorer 2 without the budget, I don't think you can go wrong with that, really. An Explorer 2, and maybe as your diver, a discount. Because we all want discounts. Because money, we've always got less money than we actually think. If we had a discount diver and an Explorer 2, how's that for a combo? I reckon that's a cool combo. We got the GMT, we got a diver, and all you'd need to do is add a speedy to the mix. This would be a three-piece Hunger Buster feed. This would be a three-piece feed. You know, family, I don't know if it's enough for a family. I suppose if they were skinny, there's probably enough fat there for a family. But look at that, three-piece combo meal deal, Hunger Buster. Three-piece combo meal deal, Hunger Buster. I mean, that's all your brands there. I don't know what else you'd need. So I got to tell you, man, the Tudor itself, what do I think of them? I think the tuners are cool. I think tuners are cool. Tuners are cool. Yes. Would I buy one? Yeah, well, I have. I have bought one. I bought a tuner because they're being discontinued. There you go. You heard it on the ArchieLuxury channel. The Tudor Burgundy. It's going to be, look at that. It looks beautiful that's in my box there. Look at that. Beautiful. So I think have a Tudor in your family. There's nothing wrong with tuners. Tuners are very, 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 very cool. It's a cool watch. It's very cool. I think that'd be very cool. Tuners. Look, is it better than a Rolex? Of course it's not. It's not as good as Rolex. It's clear. It's Johnny Walker Black versus red. You know, but it's still as a cheap and nasty, well, is it a cheap? It's not a cheap and nasty price, is it? What else can you get for 5 Aussie? What's that? 4 US. 4 US. I mean, that's a very competitive price point, okay? That's a very competitive price point. I don't know that it's really, it's you know, the person who buys Tudor, they're not a Patek person, are they? They're not Patek. They're not Patek. But you know what? I like to have some discount divers in my collection, that's for sure. What's wrong with a discount diver? I would love to have the discount diver. Do you always need premium diver? Why can't you have discount diver? I think a discount diver is a fabulous piece to have, to hoard and possess. And you know, I gotta be totally honest with you. We can't all buy Rolex. You can't just go. I mean, I was lucky MJT helped me, but I would have been hung out to dry. I would have been hung out to dry. You know, I would have been hung out to dry. I mean, Dave would have come to the rescue and sold me a 40 mil ceramic. No, Dave. Yeah, we could do that. We could do that. But I got to tell you that I think the Tudor's a great watch. There you go, guys. That's an unboxing. I will see you in the next one. Cut. Nice tuners, Archie. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. And who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury. Who do I recommend for watches in Brisbane and Sydney? Vintage Watch Co. That's correct. Vintage Watch Co. in Brisbane Arcade in Brisbane and the Strand Arcade in Sydney. Vintage Watch Co. Brisbane and Sydney. Ronnie, I've known him since the late 90s. Ronnie is a top bloke. Luke is a great guy. Vintage Watch Co. That is who I recommend in Australia. Check out Vintage Watch Co. and the guys' amazing range of watches. They also do service and repairs. Vintage Watch Co. That is where the Pontiff goes. You know, some of my Pateks came from Vintage Watch Co. That's right, guys. Vintage Watch Co.